Hello and welcome to our MasterSeries quick tutorial on how to design a simple steel beam. Within MasterSeries Home, click on MasterFrame and define a file to get started. Click on Simple Beam within the Frame Generation menu. The member section properties are now being displayed. This allows you to set section properties to the beam. Click on Steel Sections, and from the drop-down box, you can select the section size for the beam. The Simple Beam wizard automatically applies default support conditions. Left-hand endpoint is defined as pinned. Right-hand endpoint is defined with only a Y direction restraint. To introduce the nodal information area and view these supports, select Nodal Static Supports from the Restraints file menu. To apply loading onto the beam, go to Loads and click on Member Loading. We will use a UDLY of 5 kN. To analyze the beam, from the top menu, select Analysis, then Static Analysis. The Analysis, Type and License toolbar will appear. Select Plane Frame. To view the results, from the Results file menu, select Graphical Analysis Results. Place the beam in front view using the viewing cube and ensure the 3D view is turned off. Within the graphical analysis output, you can go through the bending moments, shear forces, torsion, etc. By selecting member diagrams, you can see the graphical results of the beam. Now moving on to Steel Design, from the Design file menu, select the Steel Member Design option. This action opens the MasterKey Steel Sections module. For a single simply supported beam, the program automatically applies an axial with moment design check. A cyan-colored background indicates a design failure. Select the Beam Design Data tab to review or change fundamental design assumptions, such as deflection limits or effective length, by selecting the Lateral Restraints tab. This tab is used to define the positions of lateral restraints along the length of the beam. By entering a value of 2.0 in the Portion 1 field, the moment capacity/bending moment diagram at the top of the design output window will now be split into 3 portions of equal length. To find an adequate section size, use the Auto Design icon for the current member, or the Auto Design All icon for all briefs. Close the Steel Design application by clicking on the main X. If prompted, save the file. That is how you design a simple steel beam in MasterSeries. Please like and subscribe.